it's happening, Superman. You got superpowers, they call you Superman. The guy looks like a bat, they call him Batman. Hey, check this out. I shoot lightning out of my hands. I should be Lightning Man. What do you think? Superman was like, no. How about Black Lightning? Whoa, Superman! You can't limit my choices like that. Well, you got a choice. You can be Black Lightning or Niggatron. It's like, Superman, how can you say that? I'm not gonna stand for that. We aren't gonna stand for that. Say something, Apache Chief.